This is the Dorman 599-210XD manual climate control module. If your vehicle uses an automatic climate control module with a digital display, stop. You need the 599-211XD module instead, which is a different part. Dorman's replacement climate control modules make it easy to get a vehicle's HVAC system working again. This new climate control module consolidates several OEM parts into a single unit, and for proper climate control function, the correct software must be configured using the procedure in this video. Skipping these steps or using the wrong configuration will cause the climate control module to malfunction or not work at all. This module replaces several OE manual modules. Some vehicles have rear defrost, others do not. If the vehicle you're working on has a rear defrost button, your new module is set up the same way. For non-defrost vehicles, remove the rear defrost button and install the supplied blank. Insert a small flat tool or a pick at the lower slot to lift the button, then press the blank down until it locks. First, remove the malfunctioning climate control module. Then, flip the new climate control module over to access the dip switches. To start, move all dip switches fully into the off position. Use a small pick tool and make sure every switch is fully seated. Next, set the dip switches according to the diagram. Here are all the 599-210XD dip switch configurations. Pause the video and match your vehicle to the right switch pattern. Set the fan speed to position 5. Plug in both connectors, then start the engine and let it idle for the rest of the configuration process. Don't press any buttons or adjust temperature while the module configures. During configuration, the recirculation and/or AC button lights will flash depending on your application to indicate the process is in progress. To confirm that the selected configuration is correct, match the flashing button combination to the application chart. Wait for all button LEDs to turn off. This indicates the calibration is complete. After calibration, verify fan speeds, mode changes, floor vent defrost, AC, and rear defrost where equipped. If something doesn't match your selection, recheck the dip pattern. If the LEDs don't match or if functions are reversed, turn the engine off, unplug all connectors, wait 15 seconds, flip all dip switches off, and reset the correct pattern, then restart and let it recalibrate. After confirming that all functions work properly, mount the new climate control module into the dash and reinstall any trim pieces removed to access the module. This completes your installation and configuration for this climate control module. We hope you like this new solution, and if you need anything during the installation process, the Dorman technical support team is always available to help. I'm Nick, and I'll see you next time.